Hey everybody, I am going to do a chicken demonstration today to show how well Norwex cleans chicken. So this is coming straight out of the package here, and we are then going to do a protein test on it. So we're going to rub it all nice and good on here as if we were using it to kind of cut with. Oh, this is so gross. Nothing's grosser than raw chicken. All right, and then we're going to rub it on our Norwex cutting board. What we're going to do is we're going to take 2 protein swabs, and we are basically going to test them to see what's on there. So I guess I probably could use, let's see. So first we're going to take a disinfectant wipe, and we're going to clean the cutting board here, the wooden one. All right. This is a disinfectant wipe. It's supposed to kill 99% of bacteria. Bacteria is actually a smaller molecule than protein. So if it is going to kill bacteria, it should be killing protein as well. Then we're going to take our wet envirocloth, and we are going to go ahead and clean up this Norwex cutting board. So these protein swabs are designed to pick up any traces at all of protein. They are going to turn a color based off of the amount of protein that is still in them. So green is the color that we're looking for, and purple is highly contaminated. So here we go. This is a new swab. We're going to pull it out. Going to get it all over here, all twisted around. Make sure we get a good test. This is also something that the health department does to make sure surfaces are cleaned. All right, I'm gonna put it back in there, break this, get all that liquid down there in the bottom, give it a good shaking, let it sit for a minute. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do the Norwex one. On this cutting board, make sure we spin it all around and get a good test on this one as well. All right. Get that in there, shake it around. I believe these tests are good for 2 minutes, so let me go ahead and keep shaking this one. It's starting to get darker. Oh yeah. See, it's more of a purple tint. Let's go ahead and make sure we're shaking it all around here. And do the same with the other one. Give it a minute. All right, so while we're waiting on those, I'm gonna go ahead and move, well, I don't wanna take them out of your sight line. I don't want you to think I'm mixing them up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the wooden one up front and the Norwex one in the back, which I can tell the drastic difference because they're 2 different colors. Because I wanna talk to you about this Norwex cutting board. This is made from rice stalk. It is extremely, I shouldn't say extremely heavy, but it's heavy duty and it has a lot of weight to it. It's got this rubber grip on the back of it, making it extremely hard to push. So if you're cutting a watermelon, this thing is not sliding all over versus this is kind of sliding everywhere. Also, it has this little groove around it, which is gonna keep anything in there. So our chicken juice, our watermelon juice, anything that we're cutting on this to keep it from running all over your cutting board. Standard one does not. All right, so it's been long enough. We've got the Norwex one here, which is clearly green. And then this one here that is purple from the chicken, meaning this cutting board can still be contaminated. So although we wiped it down with our Clorox, it did not remove it. It did not remove the protein at all. But the envirocloth with just water did remove it from the Norwex cutting board. So this cutting board is designed really well to not have cross-contamination. And then at the same time, this envirocloth is going to pick up everything with just water. So here, folks, you've seen it here. This is the difference. This is the Norwex chicken test.